Welcome back. This section covers three smaller sections. They include loss of control and managing flyaways, managing your GPS links, and understanding the communication links between your control station and your UA. Autonomous operation is when a UA follows a pre-planned or emergency procedure. Typically, this is programmed into a control station, which is then sent to the autopilot aboard a UA. Keep in mind that this is one of the 24 checklist items that you need to verify is in working order. If there's an emergency, such as a loss of control, the UA autopilot should take over. Autopilot may do any number of things that you've programmed it to do, such as fly a pre-programmed mission. There may be a return home to land option, or just hover. In Advisory Circular 107-2, it states, the remote pilot in command also must have the ability to change routing and/or altitude or command the aircraft to land immediately. This is part of a pre-flight checklist, so keep this in mind. If a SUAS uses GPS functionality, which most of them do, consider the following. Verify GPS communication links with at least 4 satellites. If for some reason the GPS link has failed, maintain visual line of sight until the SUAS is on the ground. During this time, continue see and avoid yielding right-of-way until the SUAS is on the ground. Take a look at all your options. It may be necessary to initiate autonomous operation. A typical SUAS uses the following radio frequency bands: 2.4 GHz for video and pictures, 5.8 GHz is the control between the UA and the control station. It's important to note that the FAA documentation considers these radio frequencies as line of sight. Keep in mind, these are the same frequencies used in wireless networks.